Hello, fans. Happy New Week. I pray this week will be a good one for you and I. Welcome back to our channel. This week tutorial is based on how to create a U neckline double-breasted shawl collar. I'm going to start with the center back. From the neckline, I measured in 1 inch inward and reshaped the neckline. You can do seam or you can measure more, probably 1.5 inch, depends on how you want it, and you reshape just as shown. I'm going to do same on the center front because the neckline is a U neckline and it's very deep and wide. So I'm going to mark my button wrap and button stand, which is about 1.5 inch as shown. From the picture, you could tell that the collar is sitting on the waist. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Now I want to connect to create the U neck itself before drawing in the collar. So I'm going to draw the U neck using my curve, my armhole curve. If you don't have this armhole curve, you can as well use a flexible curve, or better still, you can get a curve. Thank you for staying tuned. Please subscribe. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Now, to draw in the width of the collar, I am using 2 inches here from the neckline, and on the center front downwards I'll be using about 3.5 to 4 inches, but you can determine your own size or the width of the collar, depends on how big or how wide you want it. So I am connecting with my curve in order to give the shape. So don't forget, you can use your curve or a flexible curve to arrive at this shape. Is a very simple one. Now shape the edge of the collar as shown in this direction. It will be extended to the button wrap and button stand seam. Please don't forget, kindly like this video now. And if you've already subscribed, I love you. If not, I love you equally. Please subscribe. Thank you. Now the shaded part is what we are going to cut out, and it means we don't need it. So what I'm doing next is just trying to make the collar very obvious. So you can see the front and the back looking the way it should look. Kindly follow our page on Facebook at Waju Couture Waju. Thank you. Shape the hem of the waistcoat. Measure 2 inches up and also to the side 2 inches, and on the side is 1.5 as shown. Then use your curve to connect so you can have a proper shape. And I also want to remind you that the link for the dart, link for pocket, I'm going to drop it. Just click below to see those links. That will take you to how you're going to shape the pocket. So I'm working on the center back now. On the side of the center back, I took in upward 1.5 inch and I square across so that the center back and that of the center front can be on the same level. Remember, the shaded parts are those parts we are going to cut away, which we don't need. Now is to indicate where the button will be. So marking about a quarter inward from the tip of the center back line, then mark down about 3/8 to locate to mark your first button, and you also marking for your button stand and button wrap. Remember, it's a double-breasted pocket. I know you know how to do it. I am just illustrating. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. also like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I love you.